Okay, this is Friday Shop Talk, and it's July the 19th. Friday, here in the shop. I glued this half of the workbench up. I got it glued up yesterday morning, and the thing about it is, we went and voted and did a little errands, and the rest of the day, it just, I never made it back down here. Long story short, and 9 out of 10, and I think it's a little more than 9 out of 10. I forget my little tape. Okay. But it really helps me because it's about the size of a period in a sentence. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to, this thing's been in here a while, so we're okay. This is Friday Shop Talk, or it's exactly Shop Talk, it just happened to be Friday, if you know what I mean. Friday it is. I've had a pretty good week. Wife's putting a little more weight on that leg, so she's a little more independent. So life challenges come into play. Yes, sir. Life challenges, I guess, is how you handle the challenges, wouldn't you think? So, we're going to get these. The thing about it is, I'm not spending the time. If I come down here and spend all day like I used to, the bench would probably already be done now. But I'm not, and it ain't. So, I had her good and tight, didn't I? Had her good and tight. But that's what you want, ain't it? You get her good and tight. These are the first clamps. The very first clamp I got. It didn't have any. First I made me some wood so it wouldn't mar up your wood project. But you can put out some pressure with it. They're good clamps. But I can't remember when I got these. They are they got some age on them. They don't even have their name on it. What kind they are. Well, how about that? I don't see a name on them nowhere. No, but they're good clamps. Betsy makes some good clamp. These Harbor Freights are cheap, but the light duty stuff, it's all right. Or fill-in clamps, they do all right. But now we'll have to, can't put these up yet because I've got legs to do, but I got to get the top finished because of the top's got to be done, and then you lay out the legs, and and everything's built accordingly. In other words, you don't know where this thing's gonna. Well, that nerve won't be aggravating. There it went. You don't know where that top's gonna be. Oh, I'm gonna get this top completely finished and I'll probably lay it right here. And then it'll be upside down, and then I can lay out the feet, and it's gonna be mortise and tenon. I feel like it'd be a better job. But it'd be all right. It's going that way. If I can get the top finished, well, actually, I got the two halves. They're a little easier to handle. If I can get them the same, then hopefully when I get down to doing the two halves, which will be a lot heavier, it'd be close enough where it'd just be a pass or two through the thickness planer and be done. Kind of what I'm shooting for. Do the heavy lifting right now, get her down real close, and then the two halves come together, and then hopefully I can get it close enough to where when I put the two halves together, so it won't go through my thickness planer, that I can take a hand plane and get it like I want it. Anyway, that's the idea anyway. So, this is every morning. About the time I get done filming, that kind of stuff goes away. I don't know. And it wasn't doing it before I started filming it. Boy, you know. Trying to burn that on out. But it is what it is. So might be able to spend some time here. I don't think we got physical therapy around lunchtime. That phase is just about over. We're talking about going to the Y, continuing some kind of program out there, but working out the details. Well, all right then. That is, all right, let me show you. This is the second half. What I've done, let me turn you around. Okay. This is the first half right here. So I let one get away from me. We've got a knot shown through. So far, it's almost one right there. But what I can do instead of starting all over, I got a couple of things I can do. Cut that board out. But what I'm thinking about doing, I'll just carve down and past that, say an inch thick, carve it in there. That way, if a hold-fast hole goes there or anything like that, it'll still work. So I may just do that. Besides, little old spots like that will just be character. This is pine from the big box store, so ideally it would be better to have one without knots, but how many have you seen that didn't have knots? So I think that's impossible. So let's go back in here. We'll wrap this thing up. So there we go. Friday shop talk. Y'all don't forget my other channel. It's Sawdust Solutions with Buck. Y'all check that out. It's going pretty good, I guess. But I made this channel here because of it seemed to, the comments and stuff I was getting, it seemed like they wanted to see projects over there. And the talking, I have several that asked for this, so I just figured I'd separate it, make it simple. And we shop talk in here and just talk about our day, talk about what's coming up, and different things, ideas. And if y'all got any ideas, shoot me a That's what the comment section's for. And you never know. If you got an idea, something you might want to see, or something you want me to talk about, or what have you, just shoot me a comment. And we'll see what happens. Because you do one of these a day, it gets kind of, I don't know. I don't want to get mundane or repetitious, but I don't know. I enjoy doing this. A little feedback would be good. That way I know I'm on the right track, if you know what I'm saying. So, well, all right then. I will cut that off here and see if I can continue on with this workbench. I'm looking forward to getting that dude done. Well, guys and gals, I appreciate you watching, and until next time, y'all be safe.